Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 J-Case. Make sure before you open any of these cases, you sanitize them. I got this case from a local distributor, but you can always order from A&J Toys in the link below. So let's open this case up and see what's inside. The Super is a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, and the regular Treasure Hunt is a Power Pistons. So the first cars are the Humvee, the 98 Honda Prelude, and the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This is the regular. Then we have the 20 Jeep Gladiator, the McLaren P1, and the Power Pistons. This is a Treasure Hunt. It's both the regular and the Treasure Hunt right off the bat. Then we have the 91 GMC Cyclone, the Honda S2000, and the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Then is the RoboRace Robocar, another 20 Jeep Gladiator, and a 68 Chevy Nova. Then we have the 68 Shelby GT500, the Jaguar XJ220, and another Pixel Shaker. Then we have a McLaren P1, Cloak and Dagger, and the 8 Crate. Then we have the 57 Plymouth Fury Croc Rod, BMW Z4M Motorsport. Then we have a Be-All, 90 Acura NSX, and a Velocita. This is from the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. Then we have a High Beam, Twin Mill Gen E, and a Bat Plane. Then we have a Rockin' Santa Sled, 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, new color white for red base, then Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Then we have a Sky Dome, 2018 Ford Mustang GT. They made a Super of this in 2018. Guess they bring it back. And then a Be-All. Then we have another BMW Z4M Motorsport, an 84 Audi Sport Quattro, and a Skate Grom. This is the regular, by the way. The next half of the case, first cars, are the Volvo 850 Estate, 98 Honda Prelude, and the Rockin' Santa Sled. Then we have the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, 90 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT, and the Bat Plane. Then we have a 19 Corvette ZR1 convertible, Priority Wagon, and the Custom Auto. Next is two HW Formula Solars, another High Beam. Then we have the 19 Corvette Z01 convertible, a Datsun Bluebird the Datsun Bluebird Wagon, the 510, the Momo Style. I didn't get this in my last case, so it's nice that I finally got it. Then we have the Total Disposal. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but Erichstein Rod. Erichstein. 68 Dodge Dart. Then we have the 70 Dodge Power Wagon, the Bone Shaker. This is the regular, not the ID. I forgot to say that in the start, but there would be an ID version of the Bone Shaker, and you guys know what the ID cards look like now. With the white card. Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. Then you have a Nerve Hammer, another Volvo 850 Estate. Getting to the bottom of the case, you have a Total Disposal, Nerve Hammer, and Manga Tuner. I've seen all these already. '68 Chevy Nova, '64 Nova Wagon Gasser, dark red, another Erichstein Rod. Then we have a Skate Grum, Cloak and Dagger, Custom 1 Acura Integra GSR. And the last three cars of the case are the '68 Dodge Dart, Jaguar XJ220, and the '19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. I did not get the Super in my case, but here's what the Super would look like. So you can see the Super is a much more Spectraflame teal blue, and this is just a lighter blue. Then the rims are totally different, with this being stars, and this just being Cyclone wheels. And on the card, it's the same thing. You can see the stars, and then the different color, or the darker. And then also on the card you can see, this more looks like a red, and this looks like an orange. And then the Cyclone wheels. And that's basically it. And then of course the TH is on the top right here. Then the treasure hunt symbol. I did not get the ID in my case, but here's what the ID would look like. So of course it has the white ID card, then ID right here, and Hot Wheels in gray. And then this has a regular Hot Wheels card. Then you can see of course the Spectraflame green. And then on the cards, the rims are a little, or not the rims, the wheels are a little bit different. And you can see the top. The top on the regular has L right here for the Hot Wheels art cars. And the top for the ID has no top. So that's a big difference. Then also the paint for here has L, and the paint for here is just black stripes. My favorite cars of the case are the BMW Z4M Motorsport, the '16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, the '64 Nova Wagon Gasser, the '98 Honda Prelude, the Erichstein Rod, the 20 Jeep Gladiator, the 57 Plymouth Fury, the Bone Shaker, the Power Pistons. This is the treasure hunt right here and up here. And the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This is a really cool car, even if it wasn't a super. The giveaway for this case is this Batplane and this 20 Jeep Gladiator. What you need to do to be entered is like and subscribe, forward this video to 2 of your friends, and make sure you put in the comments, "I love Hot Wheels." I'll pick the winner in a future video, and when somebody gets chosen, you have 2 weeks to contact me to claim your prize. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite cars are out of this 2020 J case.